Me and Sandy Pans are going to show you how to do vegan allioli. A lot of people think allioli is vegan, but you'll find eggs in some of the recipes and some people use milk. We're going to use soya milk. So you're going to need garlic. You're going to need a bland olive oil, 1 cup. I've got 1 cup in here, and soya milk, 1/3 of a cup. We're going to mix that in here now. So I'm going to drop that right in and just let it settle for a second, because I'm going to put the blender in. But you don't want to go, you want to put it straight to the bottom and don't wiggle it about first. Look at that. You're nearly there, but at the moment this is going to taste quite bland. So what we're going to do is add the juice of half a lemon, Bosch, and garlic. You can never have enough garlic, I think. Keeps the vampires away. No one wants to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and there's a vampire sitting at the end of the bed, do they? Now get that ready. Also going to add a little bit of salt. I don't like to put too much salt in anything because it's not really good for you, especially being diabetic. There you have it. Look at the consistency. Oh, garlic. Plant-based, powered by plant. What's it saying?
Powered by plants.
Powered by plants. Woo! Now I'm going to transfer that into a jar and that will last in the fridge for about a month. There you have it. Vegan allioli. Adios!